Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can crop a picture in the Photos app on the iPhone 13 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, open up the Photos app. Next, tap on the Library tab at the bottom. And in here, select a photo that you want to crop. So for example, let's choose this photo right here. Alright, so let's select this photo and then tap on the edit button at the top. Next, tap on the crop button down here. And in here, drag on the one of the handle at the top or at the bottom. You can move in and out like that. So drag on the corner handle. And then this one here as well, you can move the handle. Now once you are happy, just tap on the done button to save. Now before you save, you will also have the opportunity to flip an image. You can also rotate an image. You can apply a different size to the image right here by tapping on a different size right here. And you can also apply some color filters down there. And finally, once you are happy, tap on the done button to save the changes. And that is how you can crop a picture in the Photos app on the iPhone 13 series. Now, if later on you want to undo that action, you can tap on Edit and then tap on Revert. And then tap on Revert to Original. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.